Welcome to the WOB Story Act 17. An exciting act. KGB. Yes, everyone knows it. The former Russian Secret Service. But it's called KGB. These are the initials for Herbal Spice Bitter, for Carinthian Spice Bitter, for Kirchheim Spice Bitter. So many possibilities to name this product. Should it also be a bit of a gag? It should stand out. One should talk about the fact that it is indeed an interesting, great product. But what's behind it? My father-in-law started making a tincture ages ago, a tincture with the advance that you have when distilling. And yes, then I thought, actually, this stuff smells pretty good. And then I just thought, perhaps maybe we should make a bitter. Back then we made a bitter that was really, really bitter. And from this conceptual idea, we developed the KGB, the Herbal Spice Bitter. But the KGB is not a liqueur. A liqueur has to have over 100 grams of sugar, and the KGB has about, depending on the vintage, between 30 and 50 grams of sugar. That means it's a classic spirits and not a liqueur that more or less sticks the tongue to the palate. I would say that most bitters are very, very sweet, but there are fantastic products that are really great. We tried to create a recipe that fits. We have about 40 botanicals in it. And every year, as is in our nature, we try to change the recipe and make it better and better. For many, many years, I would say, for 10 years, we've been winning at the World Spirits Award for the KGB time and again. Gold medals at the World Spirits Award. And the KGB is very, very popular to buy for gifts, whether it's a little something or whatever. It's not so expensive, in quotes, and it looks good. It's best to order the KGB at www.wob.at, especially since the product is priced lower there. Should you order a few bottles? Since the shipping costs aren't exactly free, but it's even easier to come by our distillery in Backstein-Kirchheim and pick up this product in small quantities. So, KGB Watchfire Brigade.